Mason, why aren't you eating anything?
Because it makes me feel good about myself.
You haven't eaten anything this whole week.
It's not your problem.
Are you anorexic?
No.
What just happened?
I don't know.
Jeff, you do your homework yet?
Not yet.
It was an easy assignment. How come?
I've been worried about Mason lately.
Wait, what's wrong with Mason?
We think he has anorexia.
Really? Do you think we should get him some help?
Yeah.
Mason, we've seen your diet's gotten better these past weeks.
Yeah, I've been eating a lot better thanks to my CAPS therapist. And thanks for you guys for supporting me through my problem.
I'm proud of you, man.
Call me on my cell phone.